How does the cooperation take place? To begin, we hold a non-binding initial meeting in which we get to know each other better and discuss your specific requirements. We then work together on a concept in a workshop where we gain a deep insight into your company and learn everything about your product. Together, we develop a product tree. This visually represents your product with all its features and dependencies. This way, you and we always keep a simple overview during conceptual design and implementation. In addition, we jointly develop personas to better understand users' needs. Personas are fictional but realistic representations of your target groups. They are used to better understand and consider the behavior needs, goals, and preferences of the target group. After our workshop, you will receive from Combeenation not only the minutes of the meeting and a detailed specification sheet, but also a fully developed prototype. This prototype is already adapted to your corporate design and gives you a clear visual impression of what your configurator may ultimately look like. Our goal is to thus offer you a tangible idea to facilitate your decision-making process. In the image, you can see very clearly that there is hardly any difference between the prototype and the finished configurator. This gives you considerable risk minimization, and you already know what the finished configurator will look like before you place the order. If you are satisfied with the document, an offer is prepared and ideally implementation begins shortly thereafter.